Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamerly. If you are new here, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. A few days ago, I asked all of my followers on my Instagram account what type of videos and suggestions you guys want to see on my channel, and a lot of you guys had asked for fitness videos. Not sure why, but here I am doing it anyways for you. As you guys know, we are in a pandemic due to coronavirus, so we are constantly here at home doing nothing. My boyfriend and I have been working out pretty much every day, so I thought it would be a great video to do for you guys. We're going to be doing legs, so without further ado, I am going to jump into this video.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like
until something better came along.
I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm currently dying. I'm so hot. Can't breathe. I'm kind of out of shape, so it took a lot for me to do that. But it's a good workout. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys try this workout out. I promise you, it's gonna be tough on you. Like this video, comment down below for any more videos that you would like to see, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.